Well, here at Hunter Field, just was flying, and there's a Champ taking off. So I will get him as he takes off. There he goes. So I guess the airport does get used a little bit. Of course, I forgot to take a video of while I was getting mine ready. There was a Tri-Chaser come in and landed and taxied right over there, and that hangar right there, and put it into this end at this end. So the airport gets used a little bit, I guess. And here goes the Champ up there. Don't know if he's going around shooting touch and goes like I just did. I shot about 4 touch and goes. We'll just hang on here and see. Well, he appears to just be going on, so I guess I'll cut this video off. Okay, Spike? What do you think? Okay, there you go.